Hey folks, it's been a cool day across the valley. That northerly wind keeping it even cooler, feeling like what it really is. But now we're back to 59 at Edinburg, 59 Port Isabel, the islands at 58. Everybody else in the low 60s. The wind will die down in the next hour or two, but until then, it's cool. And overnight tonight, it's going to be cold. The blue line, kind of your line where temperatures will be at really close to freezing, maybe right at a reading of 32 or so when you get out into the ranch country out in northern Starr County, northern Hidalgo County. Most of the population centers should stay above freezing, but it'll get close in a few places. So it's a cold night across the area tonight. And then tomorrow we're back in the 60s again. But keep in mind, you wake up in the morning, we're close to those lows. So it is a cold start to the day. Light northerly winds tomorrow, sunshine. We do climb back in the 60s and the humidity will be low. It looks pretty comfortable across the area tomorrow despite those cold temperatures. Normal high for this time of year 76. We're not going to get close tomorrow at 66, but then 74, 76 for Friday and Saturday. Very nice days, right about where we're supposed to be this time of year. The comfort level, comfort index is about the top of the chart for the end of the week. Satellite radar shows the clouds that were here this morning quickly moved out. There's 8, 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and then they're gone. So everybody ends up seeing some sunshine today. And skies tonight should stay mainly clear across the area. By midnight, 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, it's just chilly. It's still chilly at 8 a.m., but as the day goes on, again, we warm up into the 60s by middle of the afternoon. Then tomorrow night, it gets chilly again with readings falling back in the low 40s tomorrow night, but then during the day Friday, probably in the 70s with at least some sunshine over the area. So it looks like a nice warm up again on Sunday. We've got some nice days ahead. I think a few clouds probably come back in Saturday night, but even at that, we don't see much in the way of rain anytime soon. So the next 3 days, dry, 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 dry. This is a good time to wash the car. In the meantime, temperatures across the area, a little chilly, 57 in Corpus Christi, 52 in San Antonio. Pushback. Look at the rest of Texas, 46 Dallas, 46 Lubbock, 50 in San Angelo. It's still winter in Texas. It's still cold across the state. It's also clear, sunshine. The air is really, really dry, so that sky really blue. Pretty sunset out there across the area tonight. As we go through the next couple of days, high pressure, which is settled right into the middle of Texas, is going to stay pretty close. Tonight, 11, it's still here. By tomorrow, it's even closer to us. And when you're under the high, you tend to just be clear and chilly at night and cool during the day. By Friday, the high's a little bit off to the east, but not much. It's hanging out right on the Gulf Coast, so we're still nice on Friday. Saturday, it hasn't moved much, but by Saturday night into Sunday, it finally starts to push away, and when that happens, the flow around that gives us a southeasterly wind. That southeasterly flow will push Gulf moisture back in, and then we'll see some clouds Saturday night into Sunday, but still, we don't expect any rain through at least the early part of next week. If you're headed to the coast and enjoy the sunshine, expect a northerly breeze, about 5 to 15 knots, a moderate chop, UV index very high, small craft advisory in effect until midnight. There is a high risk of rip currents. So tonight, clear and cold, winds diminishing to about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Then tomorrow, back up to 66, a lot of sunshine, really a comfortable day. Northerly winds tomorrow, about 3 to 6 miles an hour. Tomorrow, a beautiful day after a cold morning, sunny and just gorgeous again on Friday. It looks awfully nice on Saturday as well. Sunday, we start to bring a little humidity back in, but not much. Early next week, we're back in the 80s for highs, closer to 70 for lows, getting back to above average once again. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.